Hey everyone, John Green here. Today we're diving into the world of side hustles, specifically making money by watching YouTube videos. You heard that right? Let me introduce you to Sarah. Sarah loves YouTube. She spends hours watching videos about everything and anything. One day, Sarah discovers a way to turn her passion into profit. Sarah learns how to convert YouTube videos into articles. Then she finds platforms willing to pay for her writing. Genius, right? Stay tuned as we break down Sarah's strategy step by step. Get ready to unlock your own YouTube earning potential. Sarah was your typical college student. She loved hanging out with friends, studying, sometimes, and of course watching YouTube. Her favorite YouTubers felt like friends. One day, scrolling through her feed, Sarah stumbled upon a video titled, "How I Make Money Watching YouTube." Intrigued, she clicked. The video explained how to turn YouTube content into written articles. Sarah learned about platforms like Vocal, where creators can publish articles and earn money. A light bulb went off. Sarah could combine her love for YouTube with her writing skills. She started small, choosing videos from her favorite creators. Soon, Sarah was earning extra cash. More importantly, she felt empowered. Sarah turned her passion into a side hustle. Are you ready to become the next YouTube entrepreneur? It's easier than you think. First, let's change our mindset. We're not just passively watching anymore. We're actively listening and learning. Think of YouTube as a goldmine of information. Every video is a potential article waiting to be written, but where do you start? It's simple. Choose topics you love. Enjoy cooking shows? Turn recipes into easy-to-follow articles. Are you a tech enthusiast? Summarize the latest gadget reviews. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the key is to be genuinely interested in the content. Your passion will shine through in your writing. Ready to dive in? Let's do it. Transcripts are the magic key to unlocking this whole operation. What's a transcript? It's basically the text version of a video. Think subtitles, but for your whole video. Transcripts make it super easy to follow along with the content. No more rewinding a million times to catch that one sentence. Plus, they're the foundation for your awesome articles. Don't worry, you don't need to be a super speed typist. There are tons of free tools and websites that can generate transcripts for you automatically. Just paste the YouTube video link, click a button, and boom, you've got your transcript. It's like magic, but better because it makes you money. Section 5. Finding the perfect videos. Not all YouTube videos are created equal, especially when it comes to this side hustle. You want to choose videos that are interesting, informative, and engaging. Think about your audience. What kind of content are they looking for? What problems can you help them solve? Choose videos that provide value and insights. Look for videos with a clear structure and a strong narrative. These will be easier to convert into well-organized and engaging articles. Don't be afraid to explore different channels and topics. You never know where you'll find your next big idea. Section 6. YouTube to text. Easy as pie. Now let's talk about how to actually get that transcript. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or just someone who needs to convert video to text, this process is incredibly straightforward. Don't worry, it's easier than you think, even if you're not a tech whiz. You don't need any special skills or software to get started. There are a bunch of free online tools that do all the heavy lifting for you. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and efficient so you can focus on what really matters, your content. One popular option is called HappyScribe. It's widely used for its accuracy and ease of use. Just copy the link of the YouTube video you want to transcribe, paste it into HappyScribe, and hit transcribe. It's that simple. In just a few minutes, you'll have a full transcript ready to go. Another great option is Otter.ai. This tool is particularly useful for its versatility. Otter is super cool because it can even transcribe live audio. Imagine being able to get a transcript of a live event as it happens. So if you're watching a live stream, Otter can keep up in real time. Pretty neat, right? This feature is perfect for capturing important moments without missing a beat. Once your transcript is ready, give it a quick read through and fix any obvious errors. Even the best tools can make mistakes, so a little human touch goes a long way. Now you've got a solid base for your article. With just a few clicks, you've turned a video into text, making it easier to share, edit, and repurpose. Happy transcribing. Section 7. Rewriting, making it your own. Okay, you've got your transcript. Now it's time for the fun part, turning it into a masterpiece. Remember, this is where you get to put your own unique spin on things. Don't just copy and paste the transcript word for word. That's boring, and it could get you into trouble for plagiarism. Instead, think of the transcript as a framework for your article. Read through the transcript carefully, highlighting the key points and interesting takeaways. Then, use your own words to rephrase and expand on those points. Add your own insights, examples, and personal experiences to make the article more engaging and relatable. Remember, you're not just summarizing the video, you're adding value to it. Section 8. Your platform for success. Now that you've got your awesome article ready to go, it's time to share it with the world. You've put in the hard work, done your research, and crafted a piece that you're proud of. But what's the next step? How do you ensure that your article reaches the right audience and gets the attention it deserves? And what better place to do that than on Vocal? Vocal is designed to help creators like you find an audience and get your work noticed. It's a platform that understands the needs of writers and provides the tools to help you succeed. Vocal is an online platform where creators like you can publish their work and get paid for it. It's not just about sharing your work, it's about building a career and making a living from your passion. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, Vocal offers opportunities for everyone. Think of Vocal as a giant online magazine with tons of different categories, from technology and gaming to lifestyle and entertainment. This diversity means that, no matter what your interests are, you can find a niche that suits you. You can explore various topics, experiment with different styles, and find your unique voice. No matter what you're passionate about, there's a place for you on Vocal. The platform is designed to be inclusive and welcoming, encouraging creators from all backgrounds to share their stories and ideas. It's a community where your voice matters and where you can make a real impact. Creating an account is free and easy. With just a few clicks, you can join the Vocal community and start your journey as a creator. The registration process is straightforward and the platform is user-friendly, making it accessible to everyone. Once you're all set up, you can start submitting your articles. Vocal provides a seamless submission process, allowing you to focus on what you do best: writing. You can upload your work, add images, and format your article to make it visually appealing. Vocal has a really supportive community of writers, which is one of its greatest strengths. You can connect with other creators, share your experiences, and learn from each other. The community is always there to offer encouragement and constructive feedback. So don't be afraid to interact with other creators and get feedback on your work. Engaging with the community can help you grow as a writer and improve your skills. It's a chance to build relationships and collaborate on exciting projects. The best part? Vocal pays you based on the number of reads your articles get. This means that your success is directly tied to the impact you make. The more engaging and compelling your content, the more readers you'll attract, and the more you'll earn. So the more people who read your work, the more money you can make. It's a rewarding system that values your creativity and hard work. With Vocal, you have the opportunity to turn your passion into a profitable venture. So why wait? Start sharing your stories on Vocal today and watch your success grow. Section 9. Get creative, explore other avenues. Vocal is a great starting point, but don't limit yourself. There are tons of other ways to monetize your YouTube-inspired articles. Get creative and explore different avenues. Think about starting your own blog or website. This gives you complete control over your content and allows you to build a direct relationship with your audience. You can also reach out to websites and publications that accept freelance submissions. Many websites are always on the lookout for fresh, engaging content. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Share snippets of your articles on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to drive traffic to your work. Section 10. Time is money. Stay organized. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized is more important than ever. As with any side hustle, time management is key. Balancing multiple tasks and responsibilities can be challenging, but with the right approach, you can make it work. You want to make the most of your time and effort. Efficient time management allows you to achieve more in less time, giving you the freedom to pursue other interests. Here are a few tips to stay organized and maximize your productivity. Set realistic goals. Break down your tasks into manageable chunks and prioritize them. Don't try to do too much too soon. Overloading yourself can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Instead, focus on what you can realistically achieve. Start with 1 or 2 articles per week, and gradually increase your output as you get more comfortable. Create a schedule. A well-structured schedule can help you stay on track and ensure that you allocate enough time for each task. Dedicate specific times for watching videos, transcribing, writing, and promoting your work. Consistency is key to building a successful routine. Treat it like a part-time job. Approach your side hustle with the same level of commitment and professionalism as you would a traditional job. Use a planner or calendar. These tools are invaluable for keeping track of your deadlines, article ideas, and progress. They provide a visual representation of your tasks and help you stay organized. Keep track of your deadlines, article ideas, and progress. Regularly updating your planner ensures that you are always aware of what needs to be done and when. This will help you stay on top of things and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Take breaks. It's crucial to give yourself time to rest and recharge. It's important to step away from your work and recharge. Short breaks can boost your productivity and creativity, allowing you to return to your tasks with a fresh perspective. Give yourself regular breaks to avoid burnout and maintain your creativity. Remember, staying organized is not just about managing your time, it's about creating a balanced and fulfilling work-life experience. Section 11. You got this. So there you have it. Turning your YouTube obsession into a profitable side hustle is totally doable. Remember Sarah? She went from binge watching to bossing her side hustle. You can do it too. It all starts with choosing videos you love, transcribing them with ease, and then letting your creativity shine through in your writing. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and find what works best for you. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. Now go out there, find some awesome YouTube videos, and start writing your way to success. I believe in you.